Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a subject you would like to learn in the future. You should say what it is, where and how you want to learn, why you want to learn, and explain if it will be difficult to learn it. So now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Learning new skills is crucial as it helps to enhance knowledge, ability, competence, as well as gain expertise in a specific area. And today, I would like to talk about web designing, which I would like to learn. So, competence means capability of doing something. Expertise means to become an expert in something. Moreover, web designing focuses on the planning and development of functional websites to offer a good user experience, and I would like to learn this course through online learning portals, getting access to relevant books from my local library or directly from a professional in the field. So we are just describing the different methods how we can learn it, right? Maybe through online portals. These days everything is available online, or from using textbooks, which is the common and traditional method, and also by hiring a tutor or someone who is very knowledgeable in the field, a mentor or a teacher, right? So that's what we are trying to say here. I also plan to gain know-how in the field by watching YouTube tutorials, which would reduce the financial burden of learning the subject while at the same time offer me flexibility of studying according to my own schedule and availability. So these days, YouTube is becoming a very popular learning platform, right? Because it gives you the flexibility of doing things at your own pace, and also it's free of cost. So that's what we are trying to say here. Additionally, I would like to pursue this subject as these days all companies and organizations are trying to increase their digital presence, and this skill would be thus applicable for a wide array of sectors, leading to a lucrative and successful career. So increase the digital presence means every company and organization is having a website of their own where they showcase all their key features, right? Lucrative means something that will give you high salary. Besides that, becoming a web designer would also give me the privilege to network with professionals, opening the doors for more opportunities in future. Privilege means advantage. Finally, I feel that learning the course would be a tough nut to crack as I am from a science background and learning hardcore computer concepts like HTML and JavaScript would be quite challenging. So we have used an idiom here which is tough nut to crack, which means difficult. Challenging means again difficult. However, I am confident that with my hard work and dedication, I will surely be able to come out with flying colors. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.